just buy car insurance on the internet?
Well, you certainly can. If you would think it would be faster or better or cheaper or easier or something like that, yes, you can.
Is it?
No, it's not. You know, shopping for insurance on the internet is really like shopping for, you know, almost anything on the internet. You get a lot of choices, you get a lot of prices, but they're all different. They're all subject to change, and they're all not really accurate. So you can shop all day long on the internet and never really even know what you're shopping for.
So would it be comparing apples to apples, or do I really know?
That's the problem. You usually don't know, and you're usually not shopping apples for apples. Internet insurance companies, they put out what they want you to see. The rates aren't guaranteed. They're usually not accurate, and it's a lot of smoke and mirrors.
So when I shop online, do I have to give out my information for every different company?
Yes. Every single time you get a quote on the internet, you're giving out all your personal information over and over again to everybody you go to.
Well, you said the rate isn't always accurate. I want to make sure that what I budget is actually what I'm going to spend. So is that not always the case?
That's usually not the case. And the reason being is that an insurance company on the internet is going to give you a price for the coverages based upon what you tell them. If you forget about a speeding ticket that you had 2 years ago, if you fail to remember that you had a lapse in your coverage, any type of detail like that, the rate that the company offers you is not going to be correct. Once you take that price and you purchase that policy, you can expect a bill to come in the mail a couple weeks later charging you the correct rate based on what your record really is. So when you get a rate like that, you're really getting a rate and holding your breath, because it's probably not going to be the same.
Well, if I go to Focus Insurance Group, are they going to be able to get all my information before they give me a price?
Yes, and that really is one of the big differences. When we give you a price, we have already done our checks on you, if you pardon me for saying so. We will look at your driving record and everybody who is listed on your policy. We will look at the clue report to see if there have been any claims reported. We will pull your insurance score if the company is requesting it, and we'll determine right off the bat what your correct rate is. There are no surprises. There's no bill in the mail. When you get a quote from us, that is a firm, correct quote. There's no bait and switch.
So you will take care of all of those things for me, and I can say, I've written a check for this amount and I'm good.
Absolutely. When you leave our office, you're insured, you have all your documentation, you have your proof of insurance and everything you need, and after that, we take it from there.
Do I have to sit there for a couple hours while you get this done?
No, you don't. If you should decide to come into our office, and we always like our customers to come in and meet us and see our office and see our staff, the whole process rarely it takes more than 15 minutes. And if it's not convenient for you, we can do the whole thing over the telephone.
But on the internet, they take credit cards.
We take credit cards as well as debit cards, checks. Believe it or not, we can even accept that soon-to-be-forgotten cash item.
Well, thanks.
Yeah, you're very welcome.